Hey everybody! Not all AI actually saves time. Sometimes explaining what you want takes longer than just doing it yourself. And AI is only useful if it's smarter and faster than doing the work manually. In this month's release, we focused on exactly that. Whether you're updating an existing demo, creating a brand new one, or personalizing it for a specific customer, we made the entire process way faster than before. Let's check it out. Let's start with AI HTML editing. If you used it before, the first thing you'll notice is almost everything has changed. We've completely redesigned the experience to make editing HTML demos faster and much more flexible. Now you can have a natural conversation with AI, point out specific elements to change, edit individual screens, or even update multiple screens at once. When you need to refresh messaging across an entire product demo, change your branding, rewrite content for enterprise buyers, just describe what you want and Storylane updates it in seconds. No recapturing, no repetitive edits, just tell AI what to change and that's it. But maybe you don't have a demo yet. Most teams already have product videos, launch videos, or screenshots sitting somewhere. Media to demo addresses exactly that. Let me show you how. Just go to create demo, then media to demo, and now you can upload a video or images into Storylane and AI turns them into an interactive demo. It can detect the flow, create steps, add guides, and can even generate voiceovers. Instead of rebuilding your product from scratch, you can just start with what you already have. So in this example, you can see that we turned a video into 11 steps interactive demo quite fast. And once you built a great demo, why duplicate it and manually rewriting everything just because you're talking to different audience? With duplicate and personalize, Storylane creates a duplicate of your existing demo and rewrites the messaging with AI. Just tell it who you're selling it to, enterprise, healthcare, finance, or describe the specific use case you're targeting. In seconds, you'll have a personalized demo tailored to that audience without starting from scratch. So the idea is to build once and then personalize for every audience. That's really the goal behind all these updates. Spend less time rebuilding and spend more time sharing demos that actually feel personal. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.